Today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 493 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. And so the source video says, stupid, easy, quick profit, my simple trading secret. First of all, call me childish, but I don't love the word stupid. And so putting that in the source video title, I feel like might be actually a little bit childish. It just sounds a little cringy to me. But nonetheless, we'll put this strategy to the test and see what we can get out of it. And so what we'll do is just hide the two indicators we have on screen. And the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the black flag FTS indicator. This is the swing arm indicator. It's also what it's known as, and it's this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and we'll jump into the settings. And what we'll do is under the inputs, we are going to change the ATR period to 9, the ATR factor to 5. We're going to uncheck this show fibs entry. Jump into the styles. We're going to uncheck every selection in here except for this very first plots background, and then go in and bump up the opacity to, well, whatever you want. I did 70%, but you can make it however you wish. Then click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the 10 in 1 different moving averages. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen. And again, we'll jump into the settings. And so what you'll do is the first selection right here, the MA1, keep it on EMA and keep it on 200 period. And you can make it whatever color you wish. It was on red on default, so that's what I left it on. The MA2, you're going to turn that one on and change it to an HMA and a 300 period. And again, you can make this color whatever you wish. Then jump into the styles, and what I did was I just bumped up the line weight of the red 200 period EMA just so that way it stands out from the HMA, and then click OK. And so what we're looking for a short trade is we're looking for when the orange HMA line is below the red EMA. And then what we're looking for is we are looking for price to pull back into the red black flag cloud like this here, and we are looking for price to then break out to the downside, and when it does that, we want price to also be below both the moving averages like it is here, and that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. And so we'll put our trade right here. We'll put our stop just right above the black flag cloud right here, and we are going to target a 1 to 2 risk reward just like so. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see that we kind of bounce around there for a moment, then we make this nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit.